What's going on, guys? Got ourselves a clogged bathroom sink drain. Looks like the line is backed up into the sink and it came down, leaked on the floor, and getting ready to remove the trap, and we'll run the little Ryobi drain snake here down the drain and get it opened. So let me get set up here, get this P-trap off, and we'll get it open. Alright, we got our P-trap removed, and we'll take a look inside the pipe here to see what we got. Not sure what all that is, but whatever it is backed up into the sink, and it happened twice. So go in here about 6 inches or so, and we want to turn down, and then we'll run the 25 feet of line out that we have on the little Ryobi drain machine here. This thing works good for little sink drains, tub drains, or condensate drains. So got my new gloves here set up, ready to go. We'll see how these things do. Alright, let's get it cleaned out. Alright, so we'll get the line in here and then we'll turn it on slowly and try to make the turn down. There we go. Okay, I think I'm at the clog. I feel something there. So I'm going to just keep working the snake in, then pulling it back out a couple inches, then going back in, trying to get through the clog. I'm at either a turn, like a 90, or I'm hitting something else. So I'll keep moving in and out, see if we can get through this. Alright, that's all 25 feet. Cable is fully extended. So now we'll get ready to retrieve our cable. I'm just gonna run it, keep it in forward, and just pull it back. That way I don't put it in reverse, and then whatever, you know, could be on the cutter, I don't need it to fling off or catch on something and, you know, reclog it. So we'll keep it in the forward direction, and I'll just run it and pull the 25 feet back. You see all the gunk starting to show up on the cable here. Try to pull back what I can here so it doesn't splash everywhere. Just running a little bit here and there when needed. Helps it come back a lot easier. Should be getting close to the end here. Our part of the clog. There's the rest of the clog. That's a pretty good clog. Looks like a Clorox wipe. And this here looks like a feminine hygiene product. That'll do it. Alright, let me get this stuff cleaned up off the cable here. We'll put the trap back together and test it out. Alright, I decided to just grab a new P-trap and extension tube from the shop. And I'm just going to go back with new, and we're going to cut this with the rigid tailpiece cutter. I think it's the PTE 3000. I have a video on the channel here showing you the tool. Cuts 1.25 inches, 1.5 PVC like extension tubes, and it also deburrs it as you cut it. So like, see how nice and straight this cut looks from the factory? Well, the old one that we pulled out of here, let me just show you who cut this. I don't know who did that. It was probably from construction, but doesn't look professional to me. So now we know this is 1.5 inches, so we'll just go around that mark. What you want to do, put it through here, look at the window up top on your 1.5 inches, and get your mark lined up right there in the middle where it says one way. Want your mark right there, and then let go of the trigger. Then all you need to do is turn it clockwise. There's your arrow, and we'll see how nice this cut is. You can spin the pipe too, or just turn the whole tool. Alright, sorry about that, I got a phone call, but here's our cut. Here's the piece we cut off, but here's our extension piece. And you see how that looks just like a factory cut. It has a nice bird edge around here. Now that tool's about $20 or $25. You can do it with a hacksaw and get this type of work, or this. Big difference. Alright, let's get this trap together and test the drain out. Okay, we got our seal and our nut. Slide this up. Our extension pipe. Okay, now we'll get this lined up so we know where our height is. Just want to snug these up real good. Okay, there's our new P-trap. And let's turn the water on here. Get the sink cleaned out here, and then we'll fill the sink up and let the stopper go, and we'll see what it does. Alright, we got the sink filling up. We'll go ahead and stop it, and we'll let the drain loose. Alright, looks pretty good. No leaks, everything's dry. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.